Northampton is the hip heart of Western Massachusetts. It's got that perfect New England mix: cozy old streets, cool college town energy, and food that'll make you want to move there just for the brunch scene. There's a lot packed into this little city: museums, gardens, historic sites, artsy corners, and plenty of bike trails. Ready to explore the best things to do in Northampton, Massachusetts? Let's get into it. Main Street is where Northampton struts its stuff. Walk along the busy sidewalks to pass open guitar cases, the smell of fresh bread and espresso in the air. You'll find restaurants and cafes, live music, art galleries, theaters, outdoor markets, and quirky festivals, like the Three-County Fair, the longest-running agricultural fair in the U.S. Smith College is Northampton in a lot of ways. Founded in 1871, Smith is the largest of the Seven Sisters colleges and has been shaping the town's energy ever since. Alumni include big names like Sylvia Plath. Tour grand old buildings, shady green lawns, and enjoy the botanical gardens, a treasure trove with nearly 7,000 plant species, a succulent house, and an authentic Japanese garden. A walk by Paradise Pond and up the Mill River is pure serenity. Founded in 1920, the Smith College Museum of Art houses over 27,000 pieces. The museum collection is strong in European art. You'll also find Islamic, African, Asian, and decorative arts, sculptures, and antiquities. Did you know over a fifth of Northampton's land is protected open space? The best spot is the Fitzgerald Lake Conservation Area, covering more than 850 acres. It's a paradise for nature lovers, with damp habitats around the lake and Broad Brook. Child's Park and Look Memorial Park are also favorites for nature lovers. The art scene in Northampton is always lively. Leading the pack are the Smith College Museum of Art and the Gothic Street Galleries. And as befits a college town, when the sun sets, Northampton comes alive. The Academy of Music Theater, established in 1892, has seen legends like Harry Houdini and Mae West. Northampton is that perfect mix of college town buzz, a killer food scene, miles of bike paths, and a spot right on the Connecticut River. Dining, exploring, chilling, it's all here. Plan a visit by downloading a free copy of the Visitor's Guide to Northampton, Massachusetts. It's got a free map and all the most unique spots to visit, from attractions to dining and places to stay. Click the link in the description. Pack a bag. You're in for a treat.